Hi, welcome. This is the latest, the newest, the ISO to come mid-November release. At this point in time, look at the date, we have a Discord issue. And always, if an application is not working, start it from, the terminal. So this comes up, blah, 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 text, fine, and then suddenly, boom. So double crashed, RIP, rest in peace, and then a smiley. No, not a fun smiley. So things do not work anymore, right? So sudo pacman -s might be a good reflex, -s, and say, I'm gonna install it again, right? That is okay, that's a good reflex. Is it gonna work? I can test it at once. Another good reflex, go away. Another good reflex is have a look. So this is not about Discord only, right? So it's just about everything that's out there. Then you think, maybe it's in the config somewhere in my system, and the somewhere is catfish, right? Discord. In the downloads, yeah, sure, because I wanted to figure something out here, but it's gonna be in the config. It seems there is a Discord in here, and it is. So config, Discord, also a good reasoning to say I am gonna get rid of Discord. Delete, trash, empty trash. Yes, it's gone. Another good thing is thinking about cache. Is there cache in here of the application that's not going to behave? No, there is no Discord in here. Otherwise, right, again, try to remove it. Now, I've done all these things already, and I told online on Discord, guys, go to the browser, right? Discord.com. Just log in and start using this one, right? It's no problem. Just go in there. It's gonna work just fine. Fine. Okay, save it. So we're back here. But another solution. Ooh, I closed it. It was Firefox, I think. No. So another solution, which I want to share with you, is to download it. And you say, sure. Deb is a Debian one. That's for the guys of, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, stuff like that. And this is our tar.gz. I've already done this exercise, so extract it, and then you read. And it all depends what they supply, right? It all depends what they supply. So this is what comes down, and this is it. There is no make file, make install, or sudo make install, or there's no actual readme anywhere either, but we do see a Discord. And if you want to know as well, LL, right? So there is something with an X. X means execute. So we can basically, go and install or run the green guys, execute, which is what I'm gonna do. And then suddenly the world of Discord is going to be back, and I can log in. And there we go. I just typed in my login, my password, and I can go and chat again on my machine for now. And all we need to do, that's an ArcoLinux thing. Remember it, just wait a day, 2 days, 3 days. ArcoLinux will fix it, right? Just have some patience. And here are other solutions in the meantime. Cheers.